very warm welcome to BizzCareer. In this module, you will get to know how BizzCareer works and what you need to do to get the most out of the service. The aim is very, very clear, and that is to teach you everything about Forex trading so you know how the Forex markets work and how to place trades properly and safely. Once you learn this, then you can advance on to the second goal, which is to learn how to trade the strategies we provide in a professional and correct manner to make profits for yourself. So let's get started. Forex trading is risky, and before you start trading, please be aware of our disclaimer. This is Training Module 1. In Training Module 1, we're going to be looking at BizzCareer, and BizzCareer is made up of 5 different areas. You have 20 educational modules to teach you everything about Forex trading and how to trade the strategies. The daily webinar, which provides the live trading strategies and the live support, the Newton Index and Da Vinci Code strategies, the Asian rejection strategy and its software, and the company trader ladder for you to become a BizzCareer trader. Now let's look at the different areas in detail. The training modules for the masterclass. You've got 20 modules to teach you everything you need to know about Forex. Step-by-step training to slowly build your knowledge. You don't need any previous experience to take this course. You will be taught how to use the MetaTrader software to analyze the markets and place the trades. Then learn how to trade the strategies. You will be able to watch each module one by one in the Academy section of your BizzCareer members area. The daily webinar. This runs from 8:30 in the morning till 21:30 in the night, UK time, in the members area. The Newton Index and the Da Vinci Code strategies are streamed live for the 13 hours. On this webinar, we provide live support for all members from 9 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon. And you can ask any questions and we will answer them immediately on the webinar and use the screen to show you items if necessary. During the live support session, the team will also narrate trades that come up during the day and follow the trades through the day. The Newton Index and the Da Vinci Code. These 2 strategies are streamed live each week on the daily webinar. The strategies have very clear entries and exits shown live as the strategies are running during the day. They are very simple to do, and you will be taught exactly how to trade them in the educational modules. You cannot download the software onto your computer to trade these strategies. They are only displayed on the webinar. Now, the Asian rejection strategy and software. As part of the course, you will learn a manual strategy called the Asian rejection strategy. This is a very profitable strategy that takes just a few minutes a day to check. We will provide a software package that you can download onto your MetaTrader. This gives you the strategy live on your computer at home and is yours to keep and use forever. Now, the explanation of how to download this software and use it is covered in the educational modules. Now, for those who purchase the €1,000, the €2,500 and the €5,000 packages, then you have the ability to join the company trader path, which gives you the opportunity to become a company trader and trade company money and take up to 40% of the profits that you make. Now, to join this opportunity, you will need to purchase for €1,000 a $50,000 company funded training account. Then you join the company trader ladder system. You do not take money from this account, but you use it to show us your ability as a trader and climb the ladder. The $50,000 training accounts are low leverage accounts, which mean basically that you cannot put too much money on a trade. And this stops you losing a lot of money, especially when you make mistakes when you are learning. Let's take a look at how this works. Once you have made 10% profit on a 50k training account, you have a decision to make. You can either jump off the ladder and take a €5,000 high leverage company trader account, or you can upgrade the 50k account for a $100,000 training account and start climbing up the ladder. Then it is your choice how far you go up. But each time you make 10% on the increased account, you can make that decision. And for the first 3 levels, you will get 30% of the profits that you make. If you decide to jump off at any time, then you get either 30% or 40% of the profits you make on a monthly basis from the company trader account. For those who go to the top, then there is a $25,000 account waiting and the chance to become a company trader with trading accounts anything from €500 to €2 million, and you get 20% of the profits you make on a monthly basis. Now, there are a few rules you need to understand with these training accounts. You must have a BizzCareer package of €1,000 or higher. The cost of the training account is €1,000 and it is for 1 year. To continue the training, after 1 year, you have then to pay another €1,000 for each year that you continue. If you lose 20% of the training account, the account will be closed automatically. You will then have to pay another €1,000 for a new training account. But if you've lost that training account first of all and you get a new one, you will have to start at the bottom of the ladder again. The 50k account will not be given to you unless you have been in BizzCareer for 1 month. The reason for this is that you need to learn how to use it, how to control it, and also know how the strategies work and how much money you must put on. This takes time as you go through the models to learn this. So after 1 month in BizzCareer, you can apply for the account. Now, there is an application button in the members area to apply for the 50k account. Once you purchase it, you will have the choice of a Muslim or a non-Muslim account. You decide based on your religion. Once you have applied for the account, you will receive by email your username and password and server details to log into your MetaTrader. And this will be explained in the following modules. How we communicate in BizzCareer, this is very important. First of all, communication is a two-way street. We provide excellent ways of communicating to you and also allow you total access to us. Here are the main communication channels you can use. In the members area, you will have a section called updates, and here we provide any information we think you need to know. It can be about a special training session or important information about the service or a simple calendar of key dates in the coming week. But what you can be sure of is that we keep you constantly updated on whatever is happening in BizzCareer. Make sure you join the Telegram channel to get instant information on anything that is happening in BizzCareer. The group join link is in the members area under downloads and links section. Finally, we have the most incredible way for you to ask us questions, and that is the chat facility below the BizzCareer TV. If you want to ask a question, just do so. And when we have our live support during the day, we will answer you immediately on BizzCareer TV and also use it to show you or explain something that is required. So it really is an amazing way to get your answers fast. If you do need to email us, then please just send us an email to info@bizzcareer.net. That is info@bizzcareer.net. And one of our support team members will answer you as soon as possible on the following weekday. We also have some key points that every member needs to understand. On the webinar, we have a chat facility for you to communicate with us, but we will not tolerate any bad language, sexual comments, harassment to any one of the team or other members. If this happens, you will be immediately banned from access to BizzCareer. All times given, whether on this educational course or on the webinars or in written communication, will always be in UK time. So any member around the world will need to convert this time into their own time zone. Now, the main communication channel will always be the daily webinar. But for specific items, please remember to always look at the latest updates. MetaTrader is the main platform we use to trade, and you will learn more about this in the educational program. We also do specific training on MetaTrader outside of the formal education course to give you more knowledge. The members area will be where everything happens, and all the items that you need are there. You will get the daily webinar live on BizzCareer TV in your members area. There is a chat facility for questions and answers, a download section which will provide you with all the downloads and links you need for this course, and of course the Academy section, which will provide you with all the training modules for the educational course itself. Now, why don't we take a look around the members area? This is the BizCoin members area, and at the top here you will see BizzCareer login. If you click that, if it's blue, it means your packs are active. If it's grey, it means you don't have an active pack to get into BizzCareer. Now, this is the first page. You're going to see on here the BizzCareer TV. And to expand it, there's two things you need to do. First of all, you will click here and you will click 1080, and then you will expand it to full screen. Now you will see this become very, very clear all of a sudden about 15 seconds after you've clicked 1080, and it'll all brighten up. There we are. I think you might have just seen that happen there. So this is the screen and this is what you use. And this is where the Newton index is. This is at the moment showing the Asian rejection strategy, and you will also have the Da Vinci showing as well. Next, very important, you've got the chat facility down here. You have to set your name the first time you come in. So if you click on chat and then you say new conversation, you'll get three little dots up here. That's the menu. Click that. Say change name and put your name in here. Because then when you send a message to us by typing down here, as you can see down here, then you can send a message to us and we will answer you on there. But you have to change your name, otherwise you just come up as a number and we don't know who we're talking to. So this is the Bizz TV screen, and this is where we talk to you. We'll give you information as per the education. Now the next thing that we have is the education modules. And here you have English, Spanish and Portuguese at the moment. We'll be adding more. But here is the welcome module. This is the first module you should click, and you're watching now actually, and then go through each of the modules. There is 20 in total, and we also have down the bottom here some additional modules as we see fit and as we want to give you more information. So here are the modules. If you want to click to Spanish, same thing happens. then you will get Spanish on here. Next is latest news. If we go to latest news, always look for the latest update. If we click the update, then it comes full screen in a separate tab, and we give you lots of information. You'll always have the best information to know what's going on in BizzCareer. And finally, we have downloads. This is where you're going to go to open your BizTrade Broker Live account or demo account. We also got the members live and demo because USA members are not allowed to have a broker outside of the USA, so we've got a special broker there. We also have the lot size calculators, the Asian rejection strategy software. Telegram, make sure you click this and join the Telegram group because we give you the information on Telegram first. We could just say, for instance, there's a new update, and then you can go and have a look in the latest news and see the latest update. But that's how we get very fast information for you. And then as we need more, we will add. Also, you've got charts. Charts is good because you don't have to go to a MetaTrader to see what's going on in the markets. And what happens is that we load the charts up. You have a heat map here, and basically the heat map just shows you what's happening with the euro. Say if we go here, there's US dollar, there's euro, so euro US dollar is up 0.03% at the moment on the day. And you have the exchange rates here, so you can look at any of the exchange rates and see what they are. We also have a chart. Now this chart is really good. You can have a little look at what's happening without having to be in a MetaTrader at the time. And you can also decide what you want to see. If you click symbol search here, you can say, for instance, GBP USD, and it will then load GBP US dollar. So you can very, very quickly go through a number of different items. And that is the members area. You have now completed Module 1.